Hello, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to Library Reading Time. This is not a book video. This is a video just introducing my channel. This is my background. And yeah. So if you guys, if you're watching this, if you're wondering, my books that I read, like maybe if I read Seraphina and the Black Cloak, you can see the little edge there. See that? Or I can read other books. There's lots of real books I could read to you. I do this channel because I want to read, be able to read, and I love reading. And I'm reading for others that maybe if there's a book you really want, and you want to check it out, I read in chapters, so then you could watch my first video, maybe if you wanted to get this book, see what it's about, and you could hear the first chapter. But if you're really wanting a book, I suggest, in that case, that you wait for 2 chapters, because some books start slow, and then they get really good. So, just a thought. So my name is Jocelyn. I am, as you can see, I'm not an adult. I'm still young, but I do this channel for kids who might be disabled to read because they're blind, and maybe they want to hear other people reading, or if you just enjoy hearing people read, or if you just want to hear me read. I think I've said that 5 times, but yeah. So that is what this channel is for. So yeah, that's what my channel is for. So today I'm going to be doing another video, and I might have a different background. So tune in to see. Also, in the comment sections, when I'm doing books, you should totally comment what books I should do next. Because I can read 2 books at a time. I could be reading chapter 1 of a book one day, and then reading a chapter of a book that's a different book another day. So yeah, I post daily, if you're wondering. And I have 2 channels, so hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm having a jolly day. I'm having a happy day. And never forget to read a book. So, see you all next time. If you guys want to watch more of my videos, I'll see you next time. And if you have any questions about me or my channel, anything about me or my channel, my videos, my other channel, anything like that, you can put that in the comment section. I will like it, and I will comment. And anybody that subscribes to me, I subscribe to you. Just my fair share. So if you want to be a subscriber to my channel, then I'll subscribe to you. If you want to like my channel, I'll like one of your videos. If we can get this video to 100 likes, then, or 100 likes, 10 likes, then I will read any book in the world. I'll read any book. I'll buy it if I have to, and yeah, you guys name it. And I also have Notification Squad, which a lot of people have this, but if you notify me, hitting the bell down in the corner by that subscribe button, and you click them both, then you can be in my subscriber Notification Squad. Subscribe Notification Squad. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye. Never forget to read a book. Bye. Sorry, I'm doing the thumbnail. Trying to do the thumbnail. There, hopefully it cut the thumbnail. Alright. Bye, everyone.